Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. So we are going to just start this from the beginning. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any important video I'll be loading subsequently on this channel. I load video as consistent as possible, weekly, or you can even meet uploads daily as well. All right, so now what we're going to do today is for Good Friday. So the size we're going to be using, let's just hit this, come to background editing to down here, then click image size, and then we're going to have portrait size. I think this is size Facebook and Instagram are still using for their portrait posts. So 1080, 1350 as the height. Okay, so hit OK. So this is what we have. So I'm just going to leave the background like that. So for this other background, I will load it for you. All right, so from gallery, and then here we go. I'll pick it from here and hit OK. Just enlarge it to fit. So once it has fitted, you're set with this, I think here is fine. So I'm just going to lock it so that I won't make any mistakes. So this is going to be like 2-in-1 tutorial. Now the reason why I have to turn on I change the color, still on the background editing, to click color and change it to let's say white, so that the borders will turn to black. So you understand what I just did. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is just to write the things I need to write. So I'm just going to click the plus sign, click text. Okay, now the text is black, and the reason why the text is black is because the background I turned it to white, so that's why it's responding like that. I'm going to write good, hit OK, just enlarge it a little bit, just enlarge it. Then we need to go through the stress of changing it to white, changing this to white. And then another thing is to change the fonts. So now if you don't have this font, I'm going to show you how to also install fonts here. These are my own personal fonts. The fonts in Pixellab. If you have Pixellab Pro, you're going to have a lot of these fonts here. You can pick any of this for this design, maybe something like this, good, or just any of this. Very okay. I think let's check out this. This is also good. Okay, but I think I'm going to look for I'll check my own fonts, and then I'm going to look for a particular font that I want to use. So if you don't have this, you can use another one, but I'll show you the name and also show you how you can install fonts. All right, and also link a video here for you that you can follow. All right, I'm trying to check for a particular font I can use. All right, so we are going to use Emponderosa. Do you see this spell? MPOND. All right, so this is a font. I've just clicked it, so I'm going to click OK. Now I just love that it has some kind of like faded parts, so that was what attracted me to this font. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and just copy and then write Friday. All right, so this is Good Friday, right? So the same size, so let's just position this here this way. Okay, it's a line. Okay, so let's just keep it this way. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this up a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is to write some stuff here. Okay, so I'm just going to go to, this is how you can also leverage on AI to make your workflow better. Instead of cracking my head to write something, I'll just come here and say write 2 short paragraphs of copy for me to use for an Easter flyer design, particularly for Good Friday. So I'm just going to write that, and it's going to, oh, my data is not on, so just put it on. So yep, so it's picking up. So on Good Friday we pause, blah 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 blah. You see. So I think this is fine for me. So I'm just going to copy this, turn off my data. So now that I've copied that, so I'm just going to come here, hit my plus sign, and click text. It's still going to be black, but that's not a problem. So what we're going to do right now is, now I want to change the color of this Friday to something different. So click the plus sign here. You see what I just did? Click this plus sign here, click the plus sign, click the eyedropper, that's the color picker rather, click the color picker. Then I'm going to click this background up here. Let's choose something close to, not exactly white. Okay, then check it. You can see it's not really exactly white. There's just a little slight, there's a slight difference. For this other small one, I'm going to make it white, completely white. So come here, and then we're going to paste our text. So put one paragraph here. Okay, let's just cut out this other paragraph, hit OK here. So I'll just reduce it. I'll just reduce it. Now if you come to the font, I want to use Montserrat. Okay, and I don't have Montserrat here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install it. So how would I do that? So first of all, you can just go to your Chrome browser. I'm just going to go to your Chrome browser. All right, let it load. Now you can see you can actually come to 1001. That's 1001fonts.com. All right, so how I did it, I just came here and then come to Google and just type Montserrat font family. So the first one here, click it. If you click it, now it's going to open this. So download it here. All right, so just click download here. You can see it's actually free for commercial use as well. All right, just click download. So once it's downloaded, you know I've downloaded it before, so I downloaded just this evening actually. So once it's downloaded, you are now going to go to your file manager, go to downloads, and then you are going to see it right here. You are going to see it as zipped. Okay, you're going to see it as zipped. You have to unzip it. So if you click it, then click extract to archive folder. All right, this particular one here. Now if you don't have Z archiver, just double tap it, or just once, it's going to extract it there. Now if you don't have Z archiver app, now this Z archiver, let me show you. Come to my, look at it here. This is the app down here. Okay, this app right here is the Z archiver application. So go to, if you don't have it, you can come to Play Store. Okay, let me put on my data again. Come to Play Store and just type it Z, where's my key? Z archiver. Can you see it? So it's here. It's just for unzipping, and some phones do that. So you can, if you don't have it, you can just install it, and you can install this before you download. If you download before you install, it's still not a problem. Okay, so after I've done all of this, now I've unzipped it. So these are the fonts inside this particular folder. So what I'm going to do right now, let's go to Pixellab, then I'm going to install that font. Now if you don't know how to install, I have a video too that will teach you how to do that. All right, so I'm just going to come here, go to fonts. After you've gone to font, go to my font, then I'm going to click the next, that's the folder and the plus sign, because I don't want to install a single font. So the first one right here is for a single font installation. The other one is for a folder. So I'm just going to go to folder straight. So I'll navigate, I'll go to my download, and then I'm going to see Montserrat. You have to see Montserrat here. Look at it down here as a folder. So I'll just click it and then look at the fonts inside. So I'll just add directory. Can you see all the Montserrat fonts are here right now? So can you see all the Montserrat fonts here? So I've installed them. That is just as simple as that. So I'm going to pick the, let's check the regular. It's too tiny for me. The bold is going to be too bold, so I'll just choose semi bold. Let's see. All right, semi bold is still kind of like too bold for me, so let's check for medium. Yeah, I think medium is going to be okay. All right, medium is fine. Now I want to reduce, let me reduce the size a little bit. Okay, now go to align. I'll align it to left to right. Is it right? Yeah. Then I'm going to position this way. I'm going to position this way. Just be watching, because if you rush, you're going to go and do another thing. Okay, so I'm going to position this way. So I'll just copy this and write happy and okay, let's increase it a little bit. It's going to be like happy Good Friday. So for the spacing, I think let's increase the spacing of this a little. And then for the font weight, we can change this font from Montserrat medium to semi bold this time around. I think this semi bold, right? Okay, semi bold. Hit OK. And then I'm going to move that a little here, just to maintain what I've been working with. Let me just come to position and just move it up a little bit. Okay. Now for this is here. So for this three, I mean this four, happy Good Friday, and the caption, I'm going to click this, edit, and then I'm going to merge this four together. Click on merge here and hit OK. Now this is one, so you can reduce it easily and increase it as well. So quality is kind of getting affected, especially for that text. So I'm going to place this here, place this here. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just activate, this is now a shape, right? So I'm going to activate perspective here, enable perspective, and just kind of like just try to see how I can make this line let it look as if it's lying on this wood, right? Okay. Okay, so I think it's looking as though it's lying on this wood already. Happy Good Friday. Let's try adding shadow effect to this. Shadow. Okay, I think it's kind of like disturbing the whole thing, because this caption is a little bit small already. Instead of all that, so this Jesus that I've just written, I'm just going to put it right here, and let's put up a color to it. I click the plus sign. We're going to pick a color from this cross. I just got an idea right now, so I'm going to pick a color from here. Okay, Jesus. Copy this. All right, loves. Copy this. All right, you. So I'm just gonna put this here. It says Jesus loves. Now this loves, let's change the color. We're just gonna play around with the colors. Take a little bit here. Jesus loves you. Okay, I think this really is making lots of sense. So as simple as this is, this can be um your, what's it called, your Good Friday design, right? So Jesus loves you. All right, so all right, instead of loves you, we can also say Jesus paid it all. It's still kind of like Jesus paid it all. Jesus paid it all. Happy Good Friday. All right, so maybe if you have social media handles or you want to post something, you just put them, okay, bring them below and just add them up here. Press graphics, tutorials. Let's create a shape. You can do this one, however you want to do it. All right, so um just gonna do it like this. Just make this color it to be. All right, so as simple as this you've done your Easter design. All right, so you can um do this for yourself, for your brand. All right, so make sure you share this video with others. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel as well. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. So